If you use Google Drive every day, switching from grid view to list view can make it much easier to scan files, check names, and stay organized. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to change the view on the web version of Google Drive, and I'll also point out exactly where to click so you can do it in seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once your drive loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the view controls there. What you want to find is the list view icon. This icon changes the way your files are displayed, so instead of large tiles or thumbnails in a grid, your files will appear in a clean vertical list. That makes it much easier to see file names, dates, owners, and other details at a glance. When you find that icon in the top right corner, click it once. As soon as you do, Google Drive will switch from grid view to list view automatically. There is no extra menu to open and no settings page to search through. It is just a simple one-click change. If you ever want to switch back later, you can use the same button again to return to grid view. So if your drive feels crowded, or if you prefer a more compact layout, this is the fastest way to make it look cleaner and more organized. Now that you know how to change it, you can move between both views whenever it works best for you. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward Google Drive tips, app tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.